Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a collection video of all of my Jet Airways models. As you can already tell, I have 4 Jet Airways models starting with the 737 MAX VT-JXA. This model is made by JC Wings and was announced fairly recently, and I believe it is still available for sale at most retailers. The packaging is really nice and the box design is really good as well. Next up, we have the Jet Airways A330 by Phoenix Wings. I had the chance to fly this aircraft back in 2013 from Bombay to New Jersey. I bought this model from Aircraft Model Store UK for around £30 if I'm not mistaken. Next up is this iconic Jet Airways A340-300 that Jet Airways had leased from South African Airlines many years ago. This aircraft is of course in the old Jet Airways livery, which I absolutely adore. On the packaging, unfortunately, this aircraft is labeled as an A330-300. Do you see it? This model is really hard to find now, and I'm glad I found one from a private seller in Greece. Here's the backside of the box. This model was made in 2007. The last aircraft of my Jet Airways collection is this Boeing 777-300ER. This aircraft, along with their A330s, were the flagship aircrafts for their international routes. This model is manufactured by Phoenix. This is by far my favorite Jet Airways model. I got this model from a retailer in Singapore for 45 Singapore dollars. Now let's begin the unboxing, starting with the Jet Airways 737 MAX. JC Wings have done a fairly good job with all the detailings on this model. There are lots of antennas and small details. The only problem I have with this model is that the nose landing gear appears to be too big. Here's an overview of the left side of the model. Given how small this model is, it's packed with lots of detailing. Here's the right side of the model, once again very detailed. Moving along, here's the Jet Airways A330-300. Let's get the model outside the box and have a look. An absolutely stunning model. I love all the details on this one, including the antennas. Here's an overview followed by a close-up of the left side of this aircraft. Some may say that the underbelly blue is a little too dark, but I think it looks fairly accurate. Here's the right side close-up of this aircraft. Now let's unbox the A340-300. Unfortunately, I have not had the chance to fly on the A340s, but I have fond memories of this aircraft departing from Bombay and flying over my house for its daily flight to London. Jet Airways had leased 2 A340s for their fleet. There's just something very appealing about this old Jet Airways livery. I love it. Here's an overview of the model, starting with the right side close-up. These A340 engines are nicknamed the hair dryers based on their appearance. Here's the left side of the aircraft, lots of small details like the ports and the vents. And now let's unbox the final aircraft of my Jet Airways collection, the absolutely stunning 777. Jet Airways mainly use this aircraft for their long-haul European sectors. And now here's the model outside the box. Doesn't it look stunning? Here's an overview shot of the model followed by a close-up of the left side of this aircraft. Back when the airline was fully functional, they had a total of 6 777s in their fleet. Other than the fact that the Jet Airways titles are printed slightly higher than their actual position, this model is fairly accurate and the printing is really nice and detailed. Just a few days back, we parked our aircraft in Delhi between these 2 Jet Airways 777s, and it breaks my heart to see them in this condition. Jet Airways was one of India's premier airlines, and it's really sad to see them not flying at the moment. There are talks of the airline restarting with a new owner, and I hope these aircrafts are back to the skies as soon as possible. In the meantime, let's enjoy the collection shots of my Jet Airways models. Here's a close-up shot of the tails of all the aircrafts. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.